How to lock your Facebook profile officially. So, to protect your privacy on Facebook, you can lock your profile. Thus limit who can see personal information and posts. Here's how you can do it. Open the Facebook application in your mobile device and then log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon right over here. Now scroll below, tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll below again, then tap on Settings. Now inside here, scroll below until you see Profile Locking option. You will be able to find it under Audience and Visibility. Tap on Profile Locking and then select Lock Your Profile. Wait for a few minutes, and just like that, you will be able to find a confirmation that says your profile is locked. Tap on OK, and that's it. Your profile has been locked. So, what happens when you lock your profile? Only your friends can see your posts and photos. Non-friend won't be able to see any of your posts or images, including your profile picture or cover photo. Previous posts will be limited to friends even if they were originally set to public. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.